Brett Seidel here with Lewis & Rose Interiors, and we have another episode of the Chad Project. So if you saw in the previous episode, I walked through the house, took all the measurements and scans. From there, myself and my team, we built up a 3D model to show the homeowners all of the structural changes that we would be proposing to them. They love them, so we put those plans in motion. They have in the background some contractors starting to get some bids, but now we are at demo day. And Matt is super handy, so him and his dad are actually gonna do the demo for the entire house, which saves them thousands of dollars. So make sure that you stay tuned. You can see all the ins and outs, all the big, bad, ugly things that they uncover as they do demo. I'm Brett Seidel, the owner and principal designer of Lewis & Rose Interiors, a residential interior design firm located in booming Frisco, Texas. We are so excited to bring you everything from practical design tips and tricks, to fun room reveals, to informative interviews, and of course, a whole lot of really beautiful designs. Like, subscribe, and then comment with your thoughts and questions. We love hearing from you and can't wait to share with you some truly fun and inspiring content. So welcome.
Okay, well, today is the first day where we are starting demo day, ripping out floors, ripping out carpets. Got my dad here. He's gonna be helping throughout the whole process. So here we go. Day 2 demo day. We have more flooring, baseboards, walls, built-ins, all that stuff has got to go, and try to make our dollar go a little further with some of the renovations by doing a lot of the demo ourselves. So hopefully we know what we're doing. See in the main family room, there's like a cut in, so it's kind of like separating the two spaces, kind of in the, it's like they labeled it the den, which is close to the sliding glass doors, and then like the family room. We're like, well, we'll just remove this, we'll just remove these flanges and then just continue the wall here. Remove this little flange here and be able to extend this wall out here and create a butler's pantry. The problem, you may ask? It's a load-bearing beam. It's a load-bearing beam that was built the way that load-bearing beams were built in '83, which is on only 2 studs. As you can see, there's 3 studs. We're like, okay, so it's resting on 3 studs. Well, you come up here and you can see that it in fact comes across, rests on 2 studs, and then toes into, or tees into that 3rd stud. I don't think it's gonna be worth the money to try to recess that beam into the ceiling. However, because I feel like you can just put like a wood facade or something around it. It'll just look like a wood beam. It's nice, wonderful. But to get rid of these little doohickeys, these edges that are popping out in the room, we have to replace that load-bearing beam, which would then, we can move, with a longer beam, so we can move the support down the wall. That would give us the best possibility of really just opening up this family room, since we've decided the big formal family room I'm taking over for my office. So far, that's probably the biggest expense issue that we've run across. You'll notice that during demo, I've also demoed a bit of the stash, but looking at these stairs and trying to figure out how these wedges connect to the staircase so that we can either tighten them up to keep them from squeaking, or if we just need to replace the plywood as a whole. Into okay. Bring you down here with me so you can see. This type of stuff. Look at that. That's an old bag. Well, definitely have some nails that came through to nothing. A lot of nails that came through to nothing. Like, oh, where are you going, nail? That's not going anywhere. You see this nail popping up? Don't pull it out, but do you see it? No. No? Here, hold on. Well, that must be under. I can't actually, Dad. That we thought was a 45-degree triangle here. It's actually just one big plywood square. It looks like the plywood's okay. Yeah. It's in good condition. One last thing is this old lighter that I think was probably here in '83. Let's see if it still works. I'm gonna say no, it does not. Okay, now to Indiana Jones my way out of this. Okay. Okay. This says center.
Okay.
Here.
And then get one more. Yep. Taking it off doesn't resolve anything. It's all about the framing. I mean, it's moving all around.
Sounds worse. Sucked up a little. Yeah, that sucked up too. So you have 2x6s coming across like that. They're built around this box that are then supported by these risers on one end and then those studs. Support system in there. The beam that goes down to there. And then we have the middle beam supported. I also added this line of screws from the bottom to really help suck up that board. Check it out. Stepping. No squeaking. How did we do it? I don't know. Because we are far from carpenters. In the words of my father, with enough screws you can fix just about anything. No, squeaky. So cool. Okay, so we got the squeaks taken care of. And now we're gonna replace these 2 treads. And hopefully we're done with the stairs until they actually get proper finished. Two new treads, and we've got no squeaky stairs. Huh. It's pretty awesome. So just kind of coming by, it's a winter wonderland for Texas. A little dusting of snow, so came by to meet a contractor and get him to work on an estimate as well on the work that we need done. So I just thought I'd walk around and see if there's any crazy cold spots and all that good stuff. And then I walked in to one of the upstairs bedrooms and I found this. So wasn't planning on doing any work upstairs right now, but it looks like we have a bit of a bathroom to work on now. So it just fell right off the wall. It was only glued, no nails, no screws, nothing, just glue, and it just released. So, oh well, glad it happened when no one was in there. We're not gonna take any baths in this bathtub, but this slab here on the floor, this is gonna go. Just can't work with this. I got this nice little handy tool. Just grab the caulk. It pulls right out of there. With us doing all the demo, I think we roughly saved about $5,000, $6,000, somewhere in there. That's with the cost of the dumpster rental and labor and removal of everything, floors, built-ins, so many things. And now we're going to be able to reinvest that money that we saved into other projects or anything else that might pop up along the way. So ready for construction to start.